back again, guy. After digging all those plants from the hydrangea flower, this is what we do, replant them. See that, guys? That's what we do. We replant all of them all the way down there. And we're building the shed, and then next we're gonna put shed cloth. So on the other side, as you see, that's the other plants of Andromeda white. This is all Andromeda white. See that one? That's the Andromeda white. You see these things? This is chips. That's from the branches or tree that we cut and then put that on a machine and chip them. So I'll show you guys. See this one? So we're gonna put this one on the top of the plants, meaning over here. We're gonna put this mulch or the chip over here. So there you guys. So far this is not yet finished. Still have few to go. As you see, this is row by row. That's what we does, row by row, all the way. I don't know how long the length, but it's all the way up there, all the way down here. So anyway, we'll see you again. More of our vlogging about the plants. See you guys. See you. Bye. Bye.